There is a ton of brush hogging I've got to do in this field. I actually need to spray it, but I don't have a sprayer. It's going to be on my list of things to get. So I'm going to get a big sprayer and use it on the back of the tractor. So anyway, several of the calves way over there in the creek feeder, and we got one down here taking a bath. So I'm going to head to the house again today, and I'll come back and we'll probably be brush hogging pretty soon. So we'll video that. Howdy, Gingy. That's Gingy right there. She's our newest one. Actually, she's not our newest one. She's the one before our newest one. So anyway. task at hand today is I'm actually going to be feeding the cows some hay, and I'm going to be doing a little bit of brush hogging. I'm going to brush hog as long as I can today, but it's going to be over 100, so that's not going to be very long probably. So anyway, that's the plan for today. You know, you've heard me talk about needing a brush hog whenever I go to the auction and stuff like that. Well, this is the reason why. I mean, this has been a good old brush hog, but you know, I've about wore this rhino out. I mean, it's to the point now to where you can just look from the side through it on that side. This side's still here, but boy, it's beat out bad. So gearbox is really great though. So if I could find, you know, that's why I was wanting to find another rhino, because I can just use all this stuff on another rhino. So anyway, let me get started. This box off. Turn the electric fence off. Alright, I've got this electric fence off, but I've also got these cool little gate things right here where you can just take it loose. And the hay that needs to go first is all this down this side. That is the very oldest hay. So I'm going to get in here and grab a couple of those bales and start heading them down there. Let's go get a hay ring. Alright guys, what I've done is I've got this whole hillside right here brush hogged. All of this. And I brush hogged that bottom right there. And what I've got left is everything up there in the tree line and back to the fence, all the way down the back. Back over there on the other side of the pond, and back up that way on the other side of the pond. But it is hot. It is 100 degrees right now. So I am calling it for the day. But anyway, I'm going to come back and finish this up. I don't know that it'll be this week. Got a lot going on. But anyway, if you like this video of me actually brush hogging and getting the tractor over here and, you know, checking on the cows and stuff like that, and, you know, feeding them. See, the plan is I'm going to leave them in here for 3 more days, I think. I'm going to leave them in here till Sunday, and then I'm going to move them. And where I'm going to move them to should have enough grass for about 2 weeks. So hopefully in that 2 weeks we get some more rain, and this right here starts growing back up, and we can put them back over here. I don't know. I mean, this is that time of the year when Oklahoma just doesn't get rain. But anyway, so if you like this type of video, then like, comment, subscribe. We'll continue to bring more content in the future as available. And as always, everybody, God bless. What do you think, Danny? What do you think about all this? What do you think about all this? Oh, that's what you think? Danny thinks head low, you know. Hey, Elmer, how are you?